Hello, I'm Johnny Wentworth. I'm 12 years old. I'm from Arkansas, Kansas, and I will be auditioning for the part of Stanley Urine.
Hey man.
Hey.
I have something really cool to show you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'll go get it.
Should I bring my hat?
No, I'll go get it. You stay here.
Okay.
I'll be right back. All right, man. Here it is.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's like a video game.
Oh.
Yeah. So you like put it in, and I guess it's like haunted or.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'll play with it.
Okay. You have to press the on button. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. No, it's like right there. Oh no, that's the volume button.
Oh.
No, okay, it's right there. It's right there.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Oh. Ow. Ah.
Oh.
Ah.
Oh.
Ah. Ow. Ow.
Oh.
Cyclone.
It's a cyclone.
The cyclone.
It's a cyclone.
It's the cyclone. It's sucking us in. It's sucking us in.
Where am I? Where is David? David, where are you, David?
Hi, I'm William Cash, and you've entered my game, Selfish Archipelago. And I'm here to explain to you the game, and how to beat it and such. First thing you need to do is collect little koalas in a bottle. And if you bring at least 10 of them to me, then I will give you a prize, and you can leave the game with 2 koalas. So go ahead, there's no rules, you can kill anyone, have fun, peace.
I wonder how I'm supposed to get this bottle. What? The bottle, it appeared in my hand. It's as if when I said bottle appeared in my, that must be how this game works. But before I find these koalas, I must find David. Where could he be? Let's go. I wonder where he could have gone. I'll check my mini-map. There's a location known as the bathroom, also known as El Baño. Maybe he's gone in there. David? David?
Johnny?
David, what are you doing here?
What are you doing here? What are you doing?
I've been looking
everywhere. Get back off. I can't trust anyone anymore.
What are you doing, David? Are you my brother?
I can't trust anyone. I need to win this game. I've already acquired 5 of the 10 koala bears.
5 of them?
5! I can't trust anyone.
Look at what this game has done to you, David. It's turned you into a maniac. David.
I'm sorry, Johnny. You'll have to engage me in battle.
David, come on, friends don't do this.
We're not
David.
friends.
Friends
We're
don't
not
do
friends.
this, David. Friends don't do this.
We're not
David.
friends, Johnny.
If I must.
What? Oh. David, I'm sorry I betrayed you. I didn't mean for it to come to this. You must take my koala bears and win the game.
I cannot.
You must.
I cannot.
I have no life left in me.
I cannot take your
You must.
bears.
You must take my bears and win the game.
Let me see those eyes. Let me see those eyes. Let me see those eyes, brother. Beautiful eyes. You got them from your mother. Good night, David. Good night, David. I will always love you.
Bro.
Is that a koala? The last koala.
It's me, Johnny.
It's you.
It's me, the game master.
What are you doing here? I have the 9 koalas. I have the 10 koalas.
I'm your final test. You're gonna have to fight me.
Okay.
I am your final challenge.
Take off that mask. Who are you?
You know who I am?
It's you. It's John C. Riley.
No. It's actually me, John Twist.
John Twist. John Twist. John Twist. It's you, John Twist.
I'm here to fight you. Get ready. Well, that settles it.
Okay.
You're the winners of Selfish Archipelago.
Do you stomach?
Yeah. Congratulations.
Thank you, Johnny. Appreciate it.
No problem.
I don't know why I killed my friend.
That sucks. I'm sorry, man.
He was kind of a douche anyway.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Whatever, yeah.
Well, I'm gonna leave now. You should be transported out of here soon.